Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about how to fix and solve this problem on your Google Drive on your phone. So just focus in this video and watch it till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. So after this, go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. So you have to search only for Google Drive. When you found it, click on it like this and then go directly to storage option and go to clear data in the bottom of the screen and then click on clear cache also. And then what's next is to go in to Play Store and updating your Google Drive, and then you have to restart your phone and then go back and open your drive and you will find that it's your problem be solved. So that's it.